How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create grid on map layout in QGIS. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just import your layer. And from here, let's click on project, click on new print layout, and you could just name this to whatever you want to. And basically right after that, this will then show up. Now, of course, you can customize the page properties by clicking on page. In here, you have the ability to customize the size the way you want to once again. But basically in here, we could just go ahead and add our map. To do that, just click on add item, click add map, and then your map will automatically be here. But you just have to click on the board first. So right after, you just want to click on the item properties, and you can just scroll down and look for the grid option, which is going to be this one. So just click on plus, click modify grid, and of course you can now modify the grid the way you want to. In my case, my interval is going to be this value right here. I believe this is going to be around 10 kilometers. And then of course you could just modify this into something like crossed, solid, and many more. But basically that's how you generate grids in this software right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.